Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question. Bracket of x minus 2 power x squared minus 4 equals to 1. You're supposed to find the value of 1. Let's provide solution to this question provided right here very quickly. And the first thing here is to copy. We have here x minus 2 and power x squared minus 4 equals to 1. And to solve this question nicely, we have two possibilities. What we have right here, we are going to find which number here can power of this one to get 1. First thing here is to say, if we take x, right? If we take x minus 2, then power 0. At this moment, we shall say this is 1. If this one equals to 0, we shall get x minus 2 power 0 is equal to 1 as the first way, and the second will be x squared minus 4, which is equal to 0, as we have seen right here. We can solve them by taking x, then here minus 2 is equals to 1, right? Then here, because when we say x power here x power 0, and here we have 1, that is 1 power 0 is equals to 1. At that moment, we shall say that here x will be 1 plus 2. And of course, we shall say x equals to 3. Right, and then at this side, we shall say x squared minus 4 will be 0. And say that because this is difference of two squares, we shall say x minus 2 times x plus 2 equals to 0, and we shall say x equals 2 or x equals to negative 2. Now, by saying that these are solution sets x to x, that we have equals to negative 2, 2 and 3. But always have to check if the answer is correct, because you have given question which is bracket of x minus 2 power x squared minus 4 equals to 1. Then of course here we have x which is equal to negative 2, which is here negative 2 minus 2 power negative 2 power 2 minus 4 is equals to 1. Question mark, and this is 0 power 0, which is equal to 1. Right, then here for this is for first case. Second case, so here we have negative 4 power 0, this is equal to 1 exactly. And for second case, according to what we have right here, we have 2 minus 2 power 2 squared minus 4 is equals to 1. And of course, we shall say this is a 0 power 0, which is equal to, due to 0, and here 4 minus 4 equals to 0 is equal to 1. Anything less to the power of 0 is equal to 1. For case 3, right here, we shall have 3. We have a 3, right? Which is equal to, by using this formula, we shall say 3 minus 2, right? Then here we have here 3 squared minus 4, which is equals to 1, and of course 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and here we have 9 power 9 minus 4 is equals to 1 question mark, and of course we have 1 power 5, which is equal to 1, and this is 1, which is equal to 1. Left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that our answer are correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.